All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I just want to quickly go over how much it costs for the union dues for IBEW 48 for 2023. I just paid them 12 months in advance, and that is $55.50 a month. They raised it by like $4 or $5. So it's $55.50 a month times 12 months is $666 for the entire year. As you guys can see right here, I am fully paid up until December of 2023, aka 12 months from now, because I just paid for 12 months, and you cannot pay for more than 12 months ahead. And if you want further proof, here is my bank statement, IBW 48, $666. As you can see, I have $145 left on my credit card, and it's nearly maxed out. Moving on, this is the dues for last year for 2021. This is like partially the dues and also some other things. So that is $720. And then the other three things that you get charged for in the union is market recovery pack and working dues. And those all come out of your check. Those three right here. And that was for about, I think, 6 months last year because I worked on and off. So I will get you guys a full number of the total union dues for 2023 next December, including all four of these things, including union dues, market recovery pack, and working dues. But as you guys can see right here, it's about $3,000 for 6 months. So maybe $6,000 for an entire year. I don't know. But I'll get you guys that number in 2023. So hopefully, guys, this information helped you out. $666 for the entire year of 2023 working dues for IBEW 48, not working dues, union dues, fees, whatever it's called. I don't know. Anyways, it's $666 to be a union member. IBEW 48 for 12 months in 2023. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And if you guys got any comments below, let me know how much your union dues are for where you live and how much they cost. That would be fun to know. Thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully this helped you out. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.